You will love the features of this 2015 Hyundai Sonata. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a spacious and comfortable Hyundai Sonata, the midsize sedan that prioritizes a smooth ride, connected infotainment, and passenger safety. With ample cargo space, standard driver assistance, and standout style, this family-friendly four-door is ready to take you places. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, satellite radio, backup camera, heated mirrors, heated front seat, Bluetooth connection, power driver seat, steering wheel audio controls, alarm, aluminum wheels. Get the modern style and connectivity you crave together with the space and comfort of a family sedan in this striking Sonata. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.